Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome. Since this is the first time we have met in the new year, I would also like to wish you good luck, good health, and success in 2018. I hope you had a good start, and I'm really pleased to be with you here in Detroit. The perspective of our industry is bright. US technology partners play an important role at the forefront of this dynamic development. They show the United States are a great industrial nation, a great automotive nation, and we are proud to be part of this. Let's begin by taking a moment to look at the present in a nutshell. I can say that 2017 was a pretty challenging year for Volkswagen, but ultimately a very successful one as well. We made further progress with the biggest model offensive in the history of our brand. This includes new models such as the Volkswagen Arteon, the new flagship of our brand. It has already won many awards and will make its debut in the United States this year. We presented the long wheelbase Tiguan with sales of 720,000 units. The Tiguan is one of the world's top 10 bestsellers. The new Polo is an all-around success as well. With its MQB technology, it has once again raised the bar in the small car segment. The modern, useful T-Roc compact SUV is a fresh highlight to our brand. As far as the markets are concerned, we have continued to set up our global organization. Here in the US, we are laying the groundwork to position Volkswagen as a relevant volume manufacturer. Volkswagen has a long tradition in this country. Americans loved the Beetle and the microbus. Recently, though, and I'm sorry to say, we have disappointed many people, and not just here in America. We must and we will make up for that. We are working hard on it. Ladies and gentlemen, this market is a touchstone for our success. At long last, we want to get it right. For example, we have made our debut in a US market core segment with the new Atlas. The Atlas is an American Volkswagen, and it has been given a warm welcome. We have the same expectations of the Jetta, which will be presented today. This is just the beginning of our model offensive. We are pushing really hard, and I won't rest until Volkswagen has rebuilt its position as a reliable, trustworthy, and successful brand in the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, the year 2017 showed we are on the right track. That is why I'm particularly pleased to announce we finished 2017 with the best performance ever in the history of Volkswagen. We delivered 6.23 million vehicles. That is an increase of 4.2%. Ladies and gentlemen, the key to success are the right products. The Jetta is such a product, and I'm really happy to present our new Jetta to you today. This car is one of the world's most successful sedans, with more than 17.5 million models sold worldwide since 1979. And it has long been Volkswagen's best-selling vehicle in the United States. It is really a cool car in the US. Now based on the award-winning MQB platform, it is the best Jetta ever. We expect that it will make a huge splash in the compact sedan market when it goes on sale. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the all-new Volkswagen Jetta.